The 1965 Pontiac GTO is an iconic muscle car that represents an era of high-performance vehicles and bold design. Introduced in 1964, the Pontiac GTO quickly earned its place in automotive history as the car that helped launch the muscle car era. However, the 1965 model took it a step further with a major makeover that included a longer body and the introduction of vertically stacked quad headlamps, creating one of the most sought-after versions of the GTO. One of the standout features of the 1965 GTO is its unique and stunning color, iris mist. This rare factory color, a light metallic shade of pink, is part of Pontiac's 1965 paint offerings but is rarely seen today. Iris mist was a one-year-only color, and even at the time, it wasn't a common choice for customers. Today, it remains a rarity in classic car circles, with few examples left in existence, making this specific GTO a true gem. Aside from its gorgeous exterior, this 1965 Pontiac GTO has undergone a frame-off restoration to restore it to its original glory. The car's restoration includes all the details one would expect, from the perfectly polished trim to the replacement of the original emblems with correct aftermarket parts. The iris mist paint job is also spot on, including the matching wheels that set this GTO apart from other muscle cars on the road. Inside, the all-black interior has been meticulously restored to match the original factory design. The cabin features reproduction upholstery, a new hearse shifter, and an updated dash pad, giving it an authentic 1965 feel. Factory options like the console, seatbelts, deluxe steering wheel, and rally gauges ensure that this GTO maintains its classic appeal. The original radio, still in place, adds a nice touch of vintage authenticity. But it's under the hood where this 1965 Pontiac GTO truly surprises. At first glance, the engine bay looks like it houses the standard 389 cubic inch V8 engine, a familiar sight for GTO enthusiasts. However, a closer inspection reveals that this goat is packing a punch with a much more powerful 467 cubic inch engine built by Butler Performance. This custom mill produces an impressive 500 horsepower, making it significantly more powerful than the factory 389 V8, which was capable of 360 horsepower at its peak. The engine is equipped with performance upgrades, including an Edelbrock intake, dual-feed Holley carburetor, and HEI ignition, all camouflaged in Pontiac blue to maintain the sleeper look of the car. The car also features an aftermarket 5-speed manual gearbox, providing a more modern and thrilling driving experience compared to the original factory setup. For those who love unassuming sleepers, muscle cars that look original but have immense performance under the hood, this 1965 Pontiac GTO and Iris Mist is a perfect example. With its 500 horsepower engine, modern gearbox, and stunning color, it stands out as both a collector's dream and a high-performance powerhouse. This rare classic is currently listed for sale at Volo Cars for $86,998, which is about $25,000 more than the average auction price for a 1965 GTO in excellent condition.